Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Albums app. Now tap on one of your folders and hold the photo that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now, to choose all of them right away, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Select All. And to delete them, tap on this bin next to three dots. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!